What up, guys? I am back with another video. Today on the workbench, we have something to look at, actually. This is going to be a little bit of a different one. Some of you may or may not know, I do a regular schmegular job during the day. And I was called out to go have a look at
Check this out.
a problem with one of our systems. And this guy was very dead when I got there. Basically, this is connected to a fire alarm panel. This is for a commercial building fire alarm system. Honeywell Notifier, old school LCD annunciator. Anyways, I got there and pulled it all apart and had a look at it, and holy moly. I have never seen so much damage in my life. It's pretty impressive, to be quite honest. I'm going to not try and repair this. I don't really know what I'm going to do with this yet. I just wanted to have a really good look at it on the with the inspection microscope and just have a quick look. So I thought I'd take you along with me on the journey because I'm always interested to see how things fail. These systems run a 24 volt input, so they run on 24 volts, and they've also got a data line in and out, so they've got to transmit and receive data pair to obviously communicate to the screen, and some of these buttons are also functional. So let's get it under the microscope and have a pretty nice little look at this thing. Let's bring this guy in. I keep it fairly high so we can kind of have, this is of course a lot bigger than what I'm usually working on, so let's throw the microscope on. Let's have a look at this, shall we? Okay. I'm actually gonna bring this onto my big screen as well so I can see it up close and personal. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna start with that. Like, I don't know what could have possibly caused this kind of damage. I mean, look at that. Like, that chip was so hot, it split and melted. Like, this must have been, like, cooking hot, because this is not just your typical blowout.
Like
It's bizarre to see so many chips that were blown out on this thing. Now, this being a life safety device, as much as I'd like to try and repair it or do something with it, it's never going to be put back into operation again. So I really just wanted to see it for like catastrophic. If you want to see what catastrophic destruction, electronic destruction looks like, yeah, I would say there's not a better sample that we could be looking at this point, because it is brutally bad. So that's the majority of the damage, is these couple areas. And if I go down, I think that's it at the bottom here. Good old Notifier. Honestly, I've never seen anything like this before, and I've been doing this job now for quite a long time. You can see the top of the chip on that one blew right out of there. And like cooked, like you can even see like diodes that are split open and stuff. So the interesting thing about this is that this isn't the only one that's on that shared line. I think on this particular side of, it's a care home where this is at. I think in this place there was 3 on this specific line, and nothing else happened to any other one of these. It didn't hurt the main control board. Basically, I was able to go and replace this with the new style that we don't carry these anymore. But yeah, that's just insane damage there. Look at that. Look at that capacitor. Like that chip is white hot. Like that thing was so hot to turn that color and to melt things like that. Like insane. Let's see if we can get a better shot of this chip here. Cracked right in half. Look at the char on the board. Yeah, that's just okay. Here's this other one. You see, it's like literally like
I just got my license back.
cracked right open. This one here. Just crazy how much heat was generated there. Like you can see, like it was melting the solder. You can see it. Anyways, I this was not really in a video that I was gonna turn into like any sort of a repair or anything like that, but I did want to have a look at I wanted to have a look at this thing. I mean, normally I would throw this in the garbage, but because it was so catastrophic and just insane looking, I decided to bring it home so I could, get it underneath the microscope. So I hope you enjoyed that. I know it's nothing really too, super cool or anything like that, but you can even see here where it's got so like the hot heat from this actually bowed out the socket holder too. It's crazy. Yeah, so there you go, guys. Unfortunately, I because I live in Canada, we are having a postal strike right now, and yeah, so what that's doing is basically stopping all of the regular mail. We have a national strike going on, and no mail is moving. So all of the stuff I have on order for parts, for repairs, for future videos, all the kind of stuff that I had, coming, has been delayed. Hopefully they can get back to the table soon and get this uh, work stoppage resolved. It's creating so much problems, and right before Christmas, right? We can't even send packages in our own national mail system in Canada, if you can believe that. So, anyways, guys, as soon as I have some stuff that comes in and I have, some more projects show up, I'll be certainly doing some more videos. But for now, I thought this would be a cool little teaser for everybody to see how brutal that looks and what a completely destroyed, self-destructed board looks like. Have a good one. We will see you in the next one. Peace.